My name's Nick over at navigatornick.com, showing you how to get the most bang for your travel buck. This bag in front of me is the Taskin Aviator, and I'm not gonna lie, it's probably the most exciting bag, and it's also one of the only hybrid suitcases on the list. One of the best things about this Taskin Aviator bag is the amount it expands, which is 3 inches. As you can see, the whole entire top was still left empty for all those souvenirs that I'm bringing home. So its current capacity is around 42 liters, and it expands up to 56 liters. One of the more unique things about this bag is that you can attach a laptop to the back with the provided sleeve. So this is the sleeve that you get. There are buckles on top of the suitcase and the sides. So in theory, your laptop would slide into here. And instead of having your laptop out and unprotected, you can go ahead and carry it on your bag, just like that. The Aviator weighs in at just under 6 pounds without the laptop attached. On the side, there's a hidden water bottle pocket, and on the back features 2 smooth rollerblade style wheels. However, I'm not entirely sure the materials on the front and the handles will hold up during travel. Another bag by Taskin. Built-in TSA locks, which is really nice. The unique thing about this bag is it's also a hybrid bag. So hard shell on the bottom and then soft on the top, and it's a front-loading bag. And then this top folds over. Abundance of storage on the right-hand side here. Maybe for some toiletries or electronics. Taskin's idea was to make a laptop pocket, so it is very soft inside here. Another slip pocket, perhaps for some cables or even a tablet. And it's said that even when the bag is loaded and zipped up, you can still access the laptop by pulling this soft part back and reaching in and grabbing the laptop. Back to the left side here. I think this falls a little bit short here, I'm gonna be honest. There is some Velcro, but the patch is very small. So when you bring it back and loop it, you can't pull it tight because it misses the mark. So it's not quite a compression system, but it does hold your stuff down. And I will show you that right now. This bag is also expandable. As you can see, there is some more room, which allows you to pack a little bit more than what's advertised. As the only front-loading suitcase and one that can safely carry a laptop, this Taskin Protocol at $150 is great value. So here are the 2 Taskin bags, the Protocol and the Aviator. Really cool bags, a lot of good features that I haven't seen out in the industry yet. If you want to collaborate Taskin, I'm here. I've got some more ideas to make these bags absolutely perfect. I can't say I love them right now, but they are definitely close. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, happy travels and keep on navigating.